Are you two ready for our big supermarket adventure?
Yes, Grandpa. Let's go.
Here's our list. Can you find everything?
Fruits, veggies, milk, and bread. This will be fun.
Pick the juiciest apple.
This one's perfect. I like green apples best. Crisp, fresh colors, fruit-filled shells.
Let's count the bananas. Together, 1, 2, 3.
That's a bunch. There's the milk. Up there.
Good eyes. Let's grab it.
It's heavy. Look, Grandpa. It's a bear.
Nothing beats fresh bread.
Can we get rolls too? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Great job checking for freshness.
Look, Grandpa, all vegetables are too fresh.
I think I hear the cereal singing.
What's it singing? Snap, crackle, pop.
Find something green.
I found a cucumber. Grapes are green too.
Excellent. You both win. Find something that starts with P.
Peas. Pizza. Perfect peas and pizza.
Can we taste one?
It's sweet and a little sour. My face feels funny.
See here, it says vitamin C. That's healthy.
Vitamin. Vitamin.
Great readers. Engard, pasta nights.
Spaghetti sword wins. No, pen power.
Which snack will you pick?
I want the round ones. Pretzel sticks for me.
Crackers or circles? Pretzels or sticks, delicious shapes? Find a can with a fish on it.
I found tuna. Mine is salmon.
Great work, fish detectives. Pick a sponge for cleaning. We make a great cleaning team. Great job helping.
We did it all. And we found everything.
You were awesome helpers today.
Thank you. Can we come back soon?
Anytime. Dear.
You can help pay today.
1, 2, 3.
I'm proud of you both.
Please, can I have the blue balloon? I want pink.
1 blue and 1 pink balloon coming right up.
Smell these, Grandpa.
Achoo, those tickle my nose.
Bless you, Grandpa.
Pick a sponge for cleaning. We make a great cleaning team. Did I ever tell you about the time I won a shopping cart race?
You raced shopping carts? Did you win a prize?
Just a lot of fun. Careful with the bread.
I'll hold my balloon tight. Let's do another scavenger hunt soon. Yeah, we're the best team.
We're the best team ever.